How to set up voicemail on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Phone app and tap Keypad. Normally, you can access voicemail by pressing and holding the 1 key. As you can see on this iPhone 8 Plus, holding the 1 key opens the voicemail screen and starts calling the voicemail service. However, if you see Call Failed, like in this example, it means voicemail has not been activated or configured by your mobile carrier. In this case, there is no iPhone setting that can manually enable visual voicemail. You need to contact your mobile carrier and ask them to activate voicemail for your phone number. Once voicemail is activated, you can return to the Phone app and press and hold 1 again to access your voicemail. If your carrier supports visual voicemail, the voicemail tab may also become available in the Phone app. And that's how you can set up voicemail on an iPhone 8 Plus. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.